Hey guys, welcome back to my channel after a long break. Again, I have started my YouTube channel. I forgot my password. No, I did not forgot it, but she reminded me about my channel again. So again, I started my channel vlogging about my channel repair. And these many days I forgot to do even exercise also. My stamina also went down. Okay, so today I ate omelette and cabbage and roti. It was very tasty. And afterwards, today morning, I did exercise yoga. I did not do today yoga. So that's all. Now I will study. After that, I will meet you guys. So guys, just now actually my online classes have been started. Only one classes are running. No classes are running. So sir sent one table for us in PDF form. We need to write that. So I sent it from my phone. I don't know it has went or didn't went off. Obviously, I said that to check. It is not getting it seems. Okay. Double tick and take minute like see double tick. So number you saw. So don't call him and don't ask about me. Okay. See, she is laughing. Like that only it will happen. Did you subscribe my channel? See, did you subscribe? Actually, even she also want to open YouTube channel, but she don't know what is the topic. She is very small baby, so she don't know anything about that. I know. See. She's saying she has more subscribers because she said everybody, our relations, everybody, they all subscribe. But what she know after 3 to 4 years afterwards, we will grow like this. So many subscribers will be for us. We will do it all, everything, and then she will come for promotion of our channel. Then we will show her. Okay. And you guys also, if your channel is not growing, then take all the phones from your own, subscribe that, then it will grow. Okay, bye. Tip of the day. So guys, see here it is written forwarded here, forwarded. Actually, it is written forwarded because from this vlogging mobile, I have sent message from this phone book from this mobile to this mobile, from this mobile to direct to search mobile. So it is showing forwarded. Now what he might think that I have copied from any other's friend's book and I have forwarded him. See, he might think like that. No, she only said that. But what I am thinking, see, I did not do like that. If you ask, I can show you my notebook and same images again. I can tell. If you don't do any mistakes, you should not afraid. Okay. Today title also will be that only. Content will come. So guys, summers have gone. So you guys are still putting your AC, your cooler, and you're still using your geyser and everything. Say no. I am using this cooler fan. Fan will be running all the time, but I'm not using geyser. You're using geyser? So he's still using geyser. For head also you use geyser? No? So for that you should use only cold water, okay? See, our age is still I think 11 years. He has so much of dandruff, okay? I don't have any dandruff, see? So actually what she is just now I forgot about the geyser. Actually geyser will be on in the winters, not in the summers. I forgot in the flow I said sir what came like that when I said. After that she just paused this camera and she said me. So just now summers have gone, the winters are just arriving, means rainy monsoon is just arriving for us, right? So how many of you have just started using geyser? Means still now I am not using, but still she is using. Okay. And any changes about the season? And in your city, COVID cases have come down, or still it is there are lockdown there in your city is like that anywhere? If there, then you can comment down. I will read all the comments, and if any good comments are there, if any good suggestions are there, then I will give you heart. Okay. Anything, she will be giving me all time. If I say good comments, I will do all nothing. Simply, if you are guys suggest start this all problems, you will get. Firstly they will say they will support you, they will catch camera, that all. They will love, okay. But be supportive. See your brain. So guys, this is the wallpaper, okay. I think this photo I took around how many years back, somewhere around 5 6 years back. I guess, I guess. So she is hiding her face. See the live face only. Okay. So guys, this ball we got free. Okay, in Kmart. If you do
अरे
shopping, you
पैसे
will
పెట్టిన 3
get.
this I got in 390.
Actually, she went up to for deleting that scene, that part of the vlog which you saw just now. That I said it is free, this free ball. She said that she will cut. I said don't cut. If you want, add some content, say something. It should be benefited, right? Why to get lost simply? Yes or no? Everything should be a content. It should not be a loss. No. What do you say? She will not say anything. See, already tape is there. We did not play.
This ball is 390, not free. Okay.
Okay, okay. Hey, okay.
Odi, 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 odi.
After seeing some videos, after studying, okay, again I will meet you guys. Till then, you can see the time lapse. No worries, okay. Okay, after seeing again, I'll get you back. Okay, bye. Falling these marks, if you can see this all on the mouse pad, even on the screen also, there also some marks are there. I think you can, yeah, these marks, these marks, right? These marks I'm talking about these, okay. These marks are lemon juice, literally the lemon juice. Yesterday night I was pouring some lemon in my okay. The lemon just split up here, just a small 2 to 3 drops. So see this on about it. Not a problem. For content I just locked up. So guys, just now I was taking time lapse. Just I was keeping my phone there. I on the time lapse mode also. I was just keeping. She came and she said she want my phone to see YouTube videos to chit chat to pass the time. I said, see here I'm studying. See, I'm studying here and this phone I want for time lapse. And she has one other phone. She can take that phone. We have another laptop. She can take that. No, she want this laptop, this phone only. I said okay, keep that laptop here. I can adjust. Okay. She's saying no, she will not keep. I only should keep. And I asked her. She not made for herself. Did not bring for me because I'm studying. How can I get up and go up? It will distract me. No. She did not bring any milk also for me. She's saying milk is over in home. If she's angry, over on the camera, put on her face, over she will not do any angry. See, it's very good trick, guys. If she's showing any anger to you, on the camera, place on her face, over they will not show any anger to you, guys. Okay. So that's all. If she takes my phone, then understand no time lapse today. She did. If she's good, kind-hearted, then your time lapse will be there. Okay. So guys, you guys were saying Ushi that she was not talking at all in the vlog. Just now I kept my camera down. I gave her okay for said no for time passing for seeing some videos on YouTube. I said her okay. She was taking her phone and she was going. By the way, she talked like this much, so much. She talked so much, so much. If she talks on camera, then so much content will come. Like daily 2 to 3 vlogs I can release. That much she is talking. That much she will talk. But when camera is on, nothing she will talk. Simply she will see the camera over. Simply
అరే
like
కెమెరా చూపిస్తు నాకు ఇంటి కెమెరా చూపిస్తుంటావు నువ్వు.
why she's coming blur everything. Even I'm also coming like that. just now I am done with my lunch. So today I ate millets with some curd. I ate. Okay, it was very good. It was very tasty, very yummy. She ate. She also ate some kara bundi also with that. If you don't know kara bundi, then I think you might be knowing that sweet bundi. Like that only also it will be there. And today I studied. Okay, time lapse I kept. It was not so good time lapse. Okay, and I think time lapse will not be repeating from now because it is being repeated from almost every vlog. So cinematics I'm learning how to do that. So from next vlog I will surely put some basic cinematic shots of how studying books and all, so my laptop, that all cinematics I'll be putting, and that's all. And just now I done my lunch, and now again I will study. After evening I will meet you on the terrace. So guys, I was just sleeping after having my lunch, after scrolling my phone from YouTube, okay, and even she also slept with me. And now my online class link has come in the Zoom, so after attending I will meet, okay. So just after my online class, I took one screenshot. Actually, I thought to record that class. That's a small part and just put it in my vlog, but I could not record it. I don't know how to record that. So screenshot I took that I will place. Okay. So just now my online class is over. Again, I am studying now. Okay. Even she is also studying. From morning also she was studying, but only I was only not studying. Actually, she will get daily 20 rupees if she is showing all the homeworks, everything. Okay, she is requesting not to say, but I will say because content is very less. Okay, sorry guys. Actually, that part which immediately it was ended though. So because actually my friend has called me, so automatically I think it has got ended. Okay, so let me attend the call and let me talk to you guys. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. So bye. Thank you.